All right, good afternoon. Today I'm gonna just be showing y'all we're gonna be exploring probability, and we're gonna be exploring probability using dice. And probability is the understanding the likelihood of different outcomes. And rolling dice, it's a great way to see this in action. So I'm gonna show you. So first, I'll define probability. I'm gonna get this in my chart. So when we got probability, we have probability equals the number of favorable events, and that'll be over the number of total events. The number of favorable events over the number of total events. So when we talk about dice, when we have one dice, when we have one, it's die. When we have one, it's die. And out of one is six different possibilities, six different outcomes that can come if we roll the one die. So if we roll the one, it's six different possibilities. Once we have two, it's two dice. I'm gonna get red and green. It's almost Christmas time. So when we got two, now our chances increase. So with one die, we have a 1 in 6 chance on what we roll for the total number of outcomes. Six will be the total number of outcomes, and it's gonna land on one number. When we have two dice, we have 36. You will multiply 6 times 6. That means your number of outcome increases because it's two now. So now we got a possibility of having 36 different outcomes. So with one dice is 1/6. When it's two dice, it's 1/36. And so let's talk about the probability of getting some specific sums. It says, for example, the sum of two. So if I roll a dice, the sum of two, I can only get two one way when I roll the dice. And that's if the both of the die land on 1 and 1. So out of the 1 and 1, it makes it only one chance out of both dice that I can get 36. That will be 1/36. Now, let's pick another number. Let's say I have the sum is, I'm going to erase this. And let's say my sum is 7. 7. My 7 look a little funny, but let's just say my sum is 7. Now, on a pair of dice, I can get the number 7 in multiple different ways. Let me just add and show you how I can get the number 7. I can get it 1 plus 6. I can get it 2 plus 5. I can get it 3 plus 4. And also, it goes in reverse. I can get it 5 plus 2. I can get it 6 plus 1. And then I can also get it 4 plus 3. That is 6 different possibilities that I can get the number 7 if I roll the two dice, because my outcomes is 36. So if it's 6 different ways, I will make mine 6. My fraction will be 6. That is the number of favorable outcomes. I can get 7 6 different ways, and the total number of outcomes is 36. If I take this fraction and I reduce this fraction, we reduce the fraction, we can just divide by 6. We divide by 6, I'm going to have 1 as my favorable outcome, and I'm going to have 6 as my total outcome. That shows you how to use probability, and you can do the same thing with other numbers. It's basically just finding out, you're trying to find out what's the number of favorable events over the number of total events, and that is how you do probability.